part of dirt. First question.
Anong hinahanap nyo dito?
Mga kalakal.
They searching for valuable items. In Tagalog, they called it kalakal. To sell, for them to earn some money for their daily living.
Saan nyo ibinibenta?
Sa mga junk shop po.
They sold it from different junk shops like Car Earnings Junk Shop, like that.
How much can you get from?
How much per kilo?
Magkano yung kadalasan kinikita nyo?
Pinakamataas na namin kinikita, 200.
The most, 200.
Start sila ng mga 6 o'clock o 6:30 up to 6 p.m.
They started digging for almost 6 in the morning up to 6 in the evening.
Tapos yung pinakamataas na kita na 200 lang.
From that span of time, they only get 200 pesos. For that span of time. Kumusta Brad yung kumusta yung kalusugan mo?
Minsan may naramdaman din pero wala ibang hanap buhay. Ito lang kaya ng hanap buhay.
Sometimes because of the environment, sometimes they have this kind of parang sakit, but they just ignore it because if they ibig sabihin pansinin, instead of having money, they will just rest in the bed, but that's life eh. You must ignore all the sickness, because if you will not eat for that kind of day. Kailan ka nag-start Brad na?
Tagal na rin February pa ako nag-umpisa. Yung iba dito dati ako medyo bago lang ako.
Ano yung mga pinakamatagal dito? Mga 3 taon na, no?
Mga ganun naman siguro.
Some of the original scavenger series, they started for almost 3 years na sila. 3 years. That's the way they live. That's how they earn money. May may parang may namatay na ba dito?
Hindi ko rin alam. Bago lang po kasi ako, may trabaho po kasi ako dati. Tapos na po yung kontrata ko. Ang lakad na po.
Kontrata saan?
Contact sa
Trabaho po.
trabaho.
Anong klaseng trabaho?
Operator po kasi ako ng machine sa sa Monster Plastic po. Yung tapos yung kontrata ko, wala akong makuha ng trabaho. Dito naman po muna habang wala pa.
Ayun. From there you can see that the government really doesn't pay attention at all to the local people in terms of employment, because if the government have really nice program in terms of employment, you will never see them here. That's the reason behind it, because the government really doesn't pay attention to them at all. Questions?
Taga saan kayo po?
Dito lang po sa likod.
Sa likod?
Squatter po dyan sa baba.
Saan kayo pinanganak?
Dumaguete.
Dumaguete?
He was originally from Dumaguete.
Taga Dumaguete siya.
Siya din po.
Ito Dumaguete rin.
Opo.
Anong dahilan, ano yung nagtulak sa'yo para pumunta dito?
From the province.
Pagipitan rin naman sa probinsya.
The reason behind from why he left Dumaguete was the way of life there is really hard then compared to here. Kahirapan. Wala bang doon? Parang walang programa yung pamahalaan doon para trabaho.
Tatrabahoin mo sa Dumaguete.
Hindi ko rin dahil bata pa kasi ako umalis doon. Kasi anyos pa lang ako umalis.
In Dumaguete, they live in the province, in the farm, Bukid.
Mag-iwas sa probinsya sa bukid. Ba't nito bukid din?
Bukid ng basura. He's saying that he avoids to do the farm works, but when he came here, there's also a farm, but farm of garbage.
How old were you when you left?
15.
Oh, and how old are you now?
26 po.
It's been a long time. So almost 11 years. Nakabalik ka na ba sa Dumaguete?
Hindi pa.
It's been 11 years. He still doesn't.
Is your family there?
People from the provinces, yeah.
Namimiss mo ba yung pamilya mo doon, Brad?
Siyempre naman.
Pero dahil gawa ng
Kawalan ng pamasahe.
ng pamasahe talaga, no? He really misses his family, but he doesn't have that enough money to go back from Dumaguete. Parang instead of using the money for transportation, he might use it for his daily living here. That's the reason why he can't go back yet to Dumaguete.
Does he find it harder here working or in Dumaguete?
Mas mahirap dito sa Dumaguete.
Walang pinag-iba, no?
Parehas lang din.
It's the same. It's the same between Dumaguete and here. It's the same way of how hard is life. May asawa na, Brad?
Oo.
Yung asawa mo, dito rin?
Sa Bacolod din.
Sa Bacolod?
Andito na rin po sa Manila eh. Sa Bacolod ng probinsya niya.
Dito rin siya sa Katmo nakatira?
Minsan.
Anong ginagawa niya?
Sa bahay lang, bantay ng bata.
How many kids do you have?
Dalawa.
Nag-aaral na sila.
Bata pa, 5 taon pa lang yung panganay ko eh. Tapos 4 yung bunso.
Parang, ano yung Brad, kung hindi mo mamasamain na? Ano yung parang, yung kinakain nyo araw-araw?
Dito namin kinukuha sa kalakal. Kaya nga, mga lakal para may makain na may araw-araw.
Ano, parang pansit canton lang, ganun.
Yung bigas.
Bigas din.
Kaso, gaw naman ng tuyo.
Most of the time, they eat tuyo just to survive for one day. Talaga minsan isang araw di kayo kumakain.
Kumakain naman pa isang, hindi baling kami hindi makakain mag-asawa, basta yung dalawa makakain talaga.
So life is